Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best snail horn on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. ZJPSNZ Snail Horn. The ZJPSNZ Snail Horn plugs into your existing car speakers with a dedicated plug, so you can hop right over to the next stoplight and call it a day. The horn is covered in a rugged rubber casing, which adds an extra layer of durability so that you don't have to worry about taking it out for a spin. The adjustable straps provide comfortable and secure fixing to your car horn. The snail horn is made from brass material, meaning it can take a beating just like you. It is 4 wires and can be easily attached to your car's original horn. This upgraded horn is an essential buy for all motorists because you never know when you'll need the extra bloot. Number 4. CHSKY CH1202F1T2XD2 Snail Horn. CHSKY CH1202F1T2XD2 Snail Horn will enable you to give a much more direct and clear signal to other road users that you are present. Therefore, it greatly increases safety on the road. CHSKY CH1202F1T2XD2 Snail Horn consists of a plastic air duct, a rubber bag, and a spiral steel. It adopts the latest technology and is produced by the material of high-quality and durable stainless steel. CHSKY CH1202F1T2XD2 Snail Horn is the best car horn you ever use. The new CHSKY Snail Horn will set your car apart from the rest of the traffic lineup. It has a loud and crisp sound that will be heard throughout your neighborhood. This little horn will make your neighbors look wide-eyed in disbelief as they see you cruise past with your brand new CHSKY Snail Horn. Number 3. ZMFJH Snail Horn. ZMFJH Snail Horn 2 PCS 12 Air Horn 12V Boat Air Horn for car, motorcycle, marine boat loud alarm kit. The horn is a device that produces a loud sound. Usually used for signaling in many areas like fire alarms, school bells, foghorns, sirens, musical instruments, and even in the military to communicate with troops. This horn is a dual-tone car horn. It is able to produce 2 different sounds, a low tone and a high tone, by pressing the 2 buttons. The air horn is the most loud and popular car horn for car. It is able to produce loud sounds 110 decibels for more than 4 seconds. It is car horn for cars, motorcycles, and boats. The horn is made of aluminium. It is durable in long time use. The horn is powerful, compact, durable, and easy to install. Number 2. EAFC Snail Horn. The new design of EAFC 2-toned car horn, not only for high and low tone, but also to rotate the air outlet. The size of the horn tube is 30 mm, and the working voltage is 12 volts. It has high-quality brass construction, a durable chrome-plated finish, and dual tone for 2 different and distinct sounds. These boat air horns are 120 VAC powered and do not require any compressor or high voltages. Simply connect it to your car battery using the included wires, and you're ready to go. They are compact and lightweight and do not require additional mounting. They are suitable for motorcycles, scooters, boats, and more. They may also be used as a car horn in your home or garage, or even on board an aircraft if coastal. The horn is quite loud and produces a clear, crisp sound. The horn is suitable for both cars and trucks. The function of the horn is to alert others of your presence, so be sure to use it whenever necessary. These marine horn kits are very useful in selecting the right sound and tone for your boat, car, or truck. You get 2 horns for convenience. The loud air horn is a very necessary tool for your vehicle or boat. Number 1. RYSJM Snail Horn. RYSHM Snail Horns is made of high-quality and durable material, with odorless and non-toxic. It features compact size, easy to install, and convenient to carry. It is an amazing car electric horn and a good choice for your car. The appearance of electric car horn is simple, fashion, and generous. The temperature of electric car horn use is low, and it is more suitable for your car. It is a perfect gift for your family and friends. This horn is fully electric and extremely loud. With the help of this horn, you will prevent other drivers or pedestrians from injuring or causing damage to yourself and others. The materials used to make this horn are environment friendly and contain no BPA or other harmful chemicals. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.